Okay, guys, so today is the first, and that means the contest is over for my Ultimate Gaming PC 2018. Now, I know a lot of you guys were confused. You weren't sure what I was giving away. If you actually watched the video, I explained in the video that I'm giving away 3 $25 either Battle.net or Steam cards. It's at the winner's choice. So I'm going to be using YouTube Random Comment Picker here, and I'm going to be filtering the duplicate users. So if you've commented 8-9 times, it's not going to count. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to hopefully pick 3 winners here. I'm going to obviously verify afterwards if that person, did the giveaway properly, if they are subscribed, if they're, if they put the hashtag in there as well. If they did not, I will use this website again and pick another winner. So first up, let's go ahead and put the link in here, guys. And we'll filter everything here. Nothing crazy. There we go. 301 total comments. And we'll go ahead and start. And our first winner is going to be, there we go, JK. Well, that's the weirdest, that's just a weird name here. Hold on, let me go ahead and write that down on a little notepad. And then obviously I'll verify here, guys. So that's jkjggh. F. Cool, man. All right, that's our first winner, guys. Obviously, I'm going to verify, like I said before, if it's legit. And let's go ahead and do it again. And pick our second winner. Second winner is going to be ToniMC. Congratulations. Let's write that down. ToniMC. And our last winner, guys, is going to be, here we go, KingTheBoss. All right, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I really do. If you didn't win, I'm super sorry, but I will be doing so many more giveaways here in the future, and we're only getting started. Like I said, share the channel with your friends. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you want to see next, and hopefully you guys can be one of the winners next time. Like I said, I love every one of you guys. I appreciate all you guys. Follow me at Twitter, KingTheBoss, twitch.tv, KingTheBoss, and check out my YouTube videos. Trying to get up one a week here. I should have a really cool video coming up this week, guys. All right. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.